In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer money to Webull. So if you want to deposit some money onto your Webull, the simplest way to do this is to install the app on your phone. Inside of the app, you want to click on the Webull logo and head over to transfers. In there you can withdraw and deposit, so simply select deposit and choose your currency. Then choose the deposit method, so it can be bank transfer, wire transfer, or FAST. So just do any one of them. It's going to show you how you can do it inside of there. Then simply enter how much you want to deposit and confirm it. Once you've done that, the amount should be on your account really soon, depending on which one you do. Sometimes wire transfer can take a few business days, but then they're going to give you some money on the account that you can use before the money actually gets transferred. But yeah, that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.